Let's learn about CAG 2.1 Success Criterion 2.5.6 Concurrent Input Mechanisms. This criterion, Concurrent Input Mechanisms, is designed to ensure that web content can be accessed and operated using a range of input devices, including keyboards, touchscreens, and motion sensors, without interference or conflicts between them. To meet this criterion, websites must ensure that their content can be accessed and operated using multiple input mechanisms simultaneously. Here are some examples of how to implement this criterion in code. Use keyboard shortcuts. Use keyboard shortcuts to allow users to operate the website without a mouse or touch screen. Use touch and pointer events. Use touch and pointer events to allow users to interact with the website using their fingers or a stylus. Use ARIA attributes. Use ARIA attributes to describe the purpose and behavior of interactive elements for screen readers and other assistive technologies. Use redundant input mechanisms. Use redundant input mechanisms to allow users to interact with the website using multiple input devices at the same time. By implementing these techniques, websites can ensure that their content is accessible to users with a range of disabilities and meets CAG 2.1 Success Criterion 2.5.6 Concurrent Input Mechanisms.